In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a reminder email from your Gmail account. Whether you're trying to keep track of upcoming deadlines or ensure you don't forget to follow up on important messages, setting up reminder emails can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step, ensuring that you walk away with the confidence to manage your emails more efficiently. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and log into your Gmail account. If you're already logged in, perfect, you're ready for the next step. Now, once you are inside your Gmail, you're going to locate the Compose button. This should be prominently displayed on the left side of your screen. The interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for you to draft new emails. Clicking Compose will open a new email window. Here, at the very top, you'll want to enter the recipient's email address in the To field. This is the person you're sending the reminder email to. Next, move to the subject field. You should enter a clear and concise subject line that reflects the content of your email and makes it easily identifiable for you and your recipient. Something like "Reminder for meeting schedule" or "Follow-up required" can work well. Now, in the main body of the email, you want to write your reminder message. It's best to keep this part straightforward. Clearly state what the reminder is about, any key details that need attention, and the deadline for any actions, if applicable. The goal here is to ensure that both you and the recipient understand the purpose of this reminder without additional clarification. Once your email message is clear and complete, scroll down to check for any necessary attachments. If there's a document or a file relevant to the reminder, you can attach it by clicking on the paperclip icon at the bottom of your email window. Simply browse your system for the file, select it, and attach it. Before you hit send, consider whether this is a one-time reminder or something that needs to be repeated. If it's a repeating reminder, you might want to look into using Gmail's snooze feature to remind yourself to send another in the future, or explore integrated calendar options to set up a recurring event. Once you're satisfied with your email, double-check for any typos or errors. When you're ready, hit send, and your reminder email will be on its way. Keep in mind that for longer reminders, breaking the text up into bullets or shorter paragraphs can improve readability. That's it. You've now successfully learned how to send a reminder email from your Gmail account. With this skill in your toolbox, you can stay on top of your messages and never miss a beat. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.